Oh, it's been a great advance. It's been so awesome.
It has been so awesome.
Everybody's doing everything they're supposed to do. But did you tell them about not getting in the boats, on the canoes, or going to the lake, except for in those particular times?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I mean, yeah.
Kat, please tell me that they know they cannot. Please.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure they know.
Pretty sure is not going to cut it. And I don't need them being any more afraid of me because you didn't tell them. Samuel's already scared of me. I love him. Why would he be afraid of me? You know, every time I say Samuel, I think about God calling Samuel while he was sleeping in his presence. Samuel. Samuel, are you sure? Because I think I hear...
It's going to be so much fun! Fun!
They are about to get in that canoe. Samuel! Run! Run! Please don't get sin! Run! I cannot believe this.
Wait! I think I saw Jesus. Okay. That's my Shannon! Run!